What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Always remember, not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project. We're back, Pepe fam. We're back with another Pepe video. Pepe is holding up so well. Like, the chart is so bullish, guys. I don't know how people are fading the project, but the chart is holding up like a monster, like a beast, man. And it's just waiting for a bullish market or some type of catalyst for it to absolutely go crazy from here. If you hold Pepe, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Support the videos, blow them up. I see you guys supported the previous Pepe videos, man. Keep supporting. Let's get these videos to 10,000 views apiece. Pepe fam, I know we could do it. You know, the more you guys support content creators, the more awareness for the project. Then you never know, when retail investors get into the space, first thing they see is my Pepe video. Guess what they're doing? Joining the Pepe community, buying some Pepe. So yeah, don't slack on supporting, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, Pepe is sitting at 600 and around just under $606 million in market cap with $96.7 million in 24-hour trade volume. You can see on the 7-day and the 1-month chart, it is holding up so well. It looks like it's just ready to break out from here. Look at that on the 1-day. It looks like it's just ready to break out from here, guys, and go to new all-time highs. A huge move for Pepe could be on the way, and I wouldn't rule it out. A lot of people aren't bullish on meme coins, but I'm not gonna miss out, man. I saw what happened with Doge, Shiba, Baby Doge, Floki, and the list goes on and on. I'm not gonna miss out. I am not going to miss out. Now, obviously, on CMC, a lot of people are chilling other projects, but you know, they're using Pepe to shill other project. That's super bullish, right? Just to show you the impact Pepe has. I just wanted to go through some community tweets, maybe top tweets. Okay, from T Exchange. Pepe, the charge will fly to green clouds soon. If you sell now, you'd see Pepe at 1-0 kill. Let's be holders. That's a 10x from here, guys. Pepe, best project ever, from Roy Polash. I am very happy to be participating in this project. I hope this project will gain more popularity in the future. You see, you got that Pepe profile picture, man. So yeah, Pepe fam, we could potentially be seeing Pepe ready, setting up for another move from here, man. And once Pepe goes, you know, the rest of the market is more than likely going, guys. Like Bitcoin, ETH, you know, you can see, man, it's holding up. It's holding up very well at this support area right here, the support level. It's going sideways. It's been going sideways from here. It's just waiting for a catalyst for another breakout, man. You know, just one pop to the upside from here, guys. That's what Pepe is looking like. Could happen very fast, and I wouldn't rule it out. It is the weekend though, so it is a bit slow. The weekends are typically slow, but we'll see what happens going into this week, right? From BTC NK, Pepe is building. Right, look at that. That is so cool, man. Let him cook. And this is the thing, another thing I gotta say is the Pepe community is one of the best I've seen in the space. Like, they have so many tweets, so many people talking about the project. It's just consistent engagement for Pepe. Like, it's always trending on Twitter. It's not trending for this account right here, but if I go to my main account, I'm sure I'll see Pepe trending, because it's always trending with like 4 to 5 million tweets, right? So guys, I'm telling you, it's absolutely bullish in my opinion. One of the meme coins, you know, everybody's super upset they miss Shiba, they miss Doge. You got a chance with Pepe, man. This is your chance to get one of those life-changing meme coin plays, right? Are you gonna fade it? You know, let me know in the comment section. I'm not gonna fade it. The base 8, Pepe's consolidating nicely. It's just a matter of time before it breaks all-time high. We can see nice 5-wave pattern, Elliott wave. You can see, just like I said, it's looking like it's ready for that breakout. Once it has that breakout, it's gone. It's gone, right? $69 billion in market cap for Pepe. Where would that put that from here? Is that like 1000x? Because it's at 600 mil right now. 600 mil market cap times 1000. No, that's 600 bill. So that's a 100x from here. Okay. Again, would I be mad at 100x? You know, 100 to 120x from here? I wouldn't be mad at it. I wouldn't be mad at that at all, man. You know, who would be mad at 100x? $1,000 invested to 100,000? I wouldn't be mad at that at all. Pepe to 1 cent. Yo, if that who believes Pepe will touch 1 cent before 2024? Now, you know, it's never crazy to dream, man. It's never crazy to dream. You never know what could happen in crypto. Pepe eating zeros though, at least 1 or 2, 3, maybe 3 zeros from here. You never know. This next bull market could be the biggest we've ever seen, and Pepe could eat 2.5 zeros from here, man. You just never know, guys. Somebody's blowing their car horn outside. My apologies. From mooks.eth, official Pepe will flip Doge. The community is so strong, constantly making tweets, guys. Look at this, so many likes and retweets, so much engagement for Pepe. I'm not fading this, guys. From Maniac, charts looks bullish. Pepe is still sitting on the daily support and holding strong. Weekly close in 9 hours. I believe we get a resolution to the upside tonight. This is a buy zone. I agree, because it's in an accumulation phase. You know, it's been holding this range. This is the range it's in right now. Now there's 2 possibilities. It breaks the range, falls out of the range, or it breaks up from the range. But we are in a bullish market right now. We're in a bullish sentiment. If we go to CMC, right, we're in greed, right? We're in 61 greed. I like that CMC updated that, where the fear and greed index is right on the website. You can see Bitcoin, man. You can see Bitcoin looking like it's ready to pop up. Remember, this is Sunday, so the markets are slow because the stock market is open. But going into this week, could see a pop up in Bitcoin, and then guess what? We see the pop up for Pepe out of this range, right? I wouldn't rule that out, and that's what I'm expecting. We'll see if it happens. From Captain Pepe, it's not too late to jump on the Pepe train. On swap for Pepe. Join the friend train, guys. Honestly, like, you gotta have, like, in your portfolio, you gotta 2 or 3 good altcoins. You gotta have some exposure to Pepe as well, in my opinion. That's just me. You gotta have some exposure to 1 or 2 meme coins at least, even if it's a few $100 or $100, man. Because this is the thing, you know, coming into the bull market, you get some gains, man. Like, you never know how crazy these meme coins could go. They had somebody that, what's his name, Crypto Messiah, he put $1,700 into Shiba, and at the all-time highs that went all the way up to $60 million, right? He got to sell around $17 million, right? So who knows what could happen in this next bull market, man. One thing I'm sure of is that retail investors love meme coins. How in the heck did Pepe go to 1.7 billion in 2 weeks? Retail investors, right? People love meme coins, right? And I'm not gonna fade or miss the chance to own in some of that meme coin when it could potentially, you know, make me some very, very nice gains, right? If I turn $100 to, you know, 10,000, I'm not gonna be mad. If I invest more, I turn $1,000 to 100,000, I'm not gonna be mad at it, man. Right? It depends on how long we could accumulate for, but, you know, if I could get some great trades on the Patreon, right? I get some great trades, buy some nice Pepe bags, you know, get that 100x, man. From Pepe Flower, there's only one true meme coin, Pepe. Doge, all the dogs are bowing to the frog, man. From Ling, it's time, Robinhood app, Pepe now, day 54. So he's putting a tweet out every day for when Pepe gets listed on Robinhood. Remember when I think Shiba got listed on Robinhood, or it was Doge. Either way, we saw a huge explosion for both. It's gonna be the same thing with Pepe, man. Coinbase is incoming as well too. I'm telling you, Coinbase is incoming for Pepe, guys. Don't rule out that possibility. Pepe fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make this video go viral, guys. The more you support content creators, the more awareness of the project spreads. and we know Pepe is gonna do at least 100x. That's the lowest. It's gonna do 100x from here. If it goes higher, will be crazy, but I'm sure it could do 100x from here at these levels, man. I'm telling you, don't rule out those possibilities. Also, again, if you want to join the Patreon, please join the Patreon to get into the plays I post outside of the videos I cover. Personally recommend the Crypto Elite tier for my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. All the different altcoins are on there that I think will have, you know, give you a 3x to 4 to 5 to 10x. All of those will be posted on the Patreon, guys. So sign up today, right? Support the video, like, comment, subscribe, blow this up, get it to 10,000 views. I'll catch you guys in the next one.